the chili oil. You can also make this in batches and store to use whenever you want. This goes literally on any dish that you feel like, so it's a good idea to always have some in your fridge. Grab a pot. So here, combine 1.5 cup of a neutral oil. I'm using vegetable oil. It can be avocado oil, canola oil, whatever you prefer. And 1/2 cup of peanut oil. Now, discussion on peanut oil. Ideally, you should be using roasted rapeseed oil, but I went on a wild goose chase. It was practically impossible to get this in Canada. So if any of you guys know where I can procure myself roasted rapeseed oil, please let me know. Next, you're going to add 3 black cardamom pods, 1 stick of cinnamon, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 red onion or 2 shallots, preferably shallots, and 4 to 5 star anise. So we're doing this to infuse the oil with a bit more flavor. We don't want to boil the oil. Now you want to bring this to a slow simmer until the garlic, the shallot are golden in color. You don't want to burn it, so make sure you keep this to a low to medium heat. In the meantime, let's make our dry mix. So in a bowl, combine 2/3 of a cup of Szechuan chili flakes, 10 grams of red Szechuan peppercorns, freshly ground, 10 grams of roasted sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of MSG, teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of salt. 10 to 15 minutes later, you'll see the garlic has taken a deep brown color. That's how you know it's ready. So what you're going to do next is strain this and put everything back into the pot so that we can bring it back to temperature. You need the oil around 350 degrees before pouring it into your dry mixture. Okay, once it's up to temperature, turn off the gas. Keep your face away from this. This is gonna steam a bit and the fumes might burn your eyes. Mix everything together well with the oil. Once everything is mixed together properly, just add 1 tablespoon of Chinese black vinegar. Ooh. And there you have the best chili oil you can easily make at home that is gonna add tons of flavor to your meals. I'll leave the recipe down in the description. I hope you make it too. I'll see you next time. Cheers.